Okay. Open the fur shed again now. Because of course, here in Newfoundland is another rainy, drizzly, windy, crappy day out. Can't do much. So I'm just going to be here now today. I got to take this coyote off the board there and clean up a little bit, pick around. Got a couple little things I want to show you there. So, let's take Mr. Coyote off the board. No. I think it's been raining on good every day here now since like the 8th or 7th or something in November. I was hoping to get out today to put out some otter traps in that, but it's not fit to be outside. Two more. There. Perfect. Nice and dry. And here. Beautiful, beautiful pelt. His legs all tucked in, right nice. Ears pinned back. A little brush now. There we go. The other couple. Oh. Put my board back away. Alright guys. I'm gonna get the little thing set up here now. I'm gonna show you something. So I'll be right back there in a minute, guys. Today, it's a little bit different this morning here. I received a couple packages. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing here now. Start with this one. This is a gentleman from St. John's. Ken is his name. He makes his own trap and bait, coyote box lure bait. Trap Pro, all predator bait. What it's called. Send me out a couple bottles there to try. So if I can get it open, I'll show you what it looks like. And if it ever stops raining here, I'm gonna get some more traps back out. Oh yeah. Looks like really good stuff. Can't wait to try that. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Next, I've seen a video, you might have seen Daryl Wells, Outdoors and different stuff. He has some knives done by Avalon Sharpening in St. John's. So I reached out to him and I sent my knives into him. And he sent them back to me. And it seems like there's something else in the package. Okay. Some stickers. It's my hunting knife, yeah. Okay, this is business card, guys. Done my beaver knife for me. Oh, wicked, wicked, wicked. I better watch my fingers. He done this one. Cleaned it all up for me. Sharpened it. Man, oh man, that's like razor sharp. Whew. I better take lots of band-aids with me. Oh, what else do we got here? Oh wow, I wasn't expecting that. Awesome. Well, that's gonna go in my bag now for when I get back, if I can never get back in the woods to have the ball up. Well, check him out, guys. John is his name. Avalon Edge and Tackle. Like I said, those knives there, unbelievable. Razor, razor sharp. Don't forget, I can't wait to try this. It looks like it's gonna, and it smells unbelievable. It's gonna be a dandy bait for the coyotes. Trap Pro. And last but not least, as you all know, Canada Post is on strike. So, a good friend of mine, actually I follow him on YouTube, and I had the opportunity to meet him today, was nice enough to bring these parcels out of St. John's for me. So I met him up to Tim Hortons Den, and while I was waiting for him to show up, I ran into another YouTuber, Byron from Cod Raven. Great guy, we had a great chat, and pretty interesting. I must say, it was nice to meet him. And the fine gentleman that delivered these packages to me is Gary from Tucker and I. He was nice enough to give me a new hat. So, oh. Thanks, Gary. Appreciate that, buddy. Check out their channels, guys. They're on YouTube. Fantastic channels. So, like I said, it's just a rainy day here. I'm out in the fur shed, cleaned up a bit. I'm hoping to get in the next day or so, maybe to get out a few more sets, a few mink boxes. So, guys, stay tuned for that. And we'll see you soon. What's different today is raining and miserable. Can't get in the woods, which is depressing. Looking forward to getting in for a day now pretty soon if the rain ever stops. So I'm gonna try something today. I'm gonna make up try to make some fish for my otter sets. If I'm using like mackerel or herring or what we call, I guess not live bait, but real bait in the buckets, find the crabs and whatnot, get in the bucket and eat my bait. I've seen some people on other channels there, they cut them out of wood and just paint them to look like a fish. So that's what I'm going to do today. I found a design online that I'm going to try. Take down the board here now, so I'm going to try to cut that out best I can with a jigsaw. So, give it a shot. I'm glad it sounds like you see what I'm doing. So, Yeah. Looks something like a fish. Gotta get them painted. Sand off a little bit there. Okay. Maybe it might work, but I'm gonna give it a try anyway. So when I get one painted up there, I'll show you guys. Okay, I got those wooden fish all painted up there. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but I'm gonna give it a try anyway. I'm gonna try another little experiment. So this is one that I did. Don't laugh. The other one, I'm gonna try this. It's a bigger fishing lure that I use for codfish. So I'm gonna try a little experiment. So guys, leave me a comment there which one you think is gonna work the best. The wooden fish or the fishing lure. Okay, so as you can see, I've got a 330 conibear that I use for beavers and otters sometimes. It's a very powerful trap. I've had my hand caught in it before. It's not very nice. So you've seen, if you watch my other videos, I got a set of trap setters that I use for compressing the springs. But if you happen to be in the woods and you leave them home, like sometimes I do, or you happen to forget them and you need to set your springs, or I'm hoping that it won't happen, but if you did ever get your hand or your arm caught in the conibear, I'll show you a little trick with the rope here to compress the springs. You need obviously a piece of rope, tie a loop on one end. You guys can see me okay there. Just come up through the bottom, up to the top, back around, up to the bottom, to your top spring. Now just put your loop over your foot and pull. You see? You just take your rope back out. You're good to go. Like I said, there's a lot of videos on YouTube how to do it. I just figured I'd show you that today, guys. Like I said, it's not fit for nothing else outdoors. So I'm just out, like I said, picking around a little bit. So I'm going to do one more little demonstration here now when I get situated. So I'll flip the camera back on for that there in a minute there, guys. So stay tuned and right back. This is my traps that I use for the coyote and the fox. Bridger number 2s, dogless with the offset jaws. So I'm gonna get it set up here, and then I'll move back with it so you can see what I'm doing. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna do. You can see I get the gloves that I use for when I put my lure and stuff in and bait my traps. So you guys see me using them running really thin. I've had a lot of people, or not a lot of people, some people say, oh, that's cruel what you're doing, and poor old animal's in the trap and he's cut his paw off and he's bleeding. So show you what I'm gonna do. Now yes, I've got gloves on, because like I said, I got my traps are waxed and dyed, and I don't want any scent on them. So, here we go. Now, as you can see, my hand is caught. It doesn't affect me. I'm standing up, drink my coffee. Like I said, it just holds the animal. It doesn't hurt them. Oops, sorry guys, hit the camera here. So, like I said, my fingers are still moving. So, let me get myself out of it now, and I'll show you. Okay, as you can see, my hand is out, moving perfect. No blood. Still got all my 4 fingers. So, like I said, it doesn't hurt the animal. It just basically pinches and holds them. Just figured I'd show you that little trick today, or not a little trick, but show you that, guys, just today, just to clarify a few things. So I'm hoping I'm going to get it again the weekend. Put out those otter traps. I'm hoping the rain ever subsides and get out for a day. I'm itching to get a nose now, have a ball up and a feed cooked up. Take you guys on for that for sure. So guys, I hope you're going to have a great, fantastic weekend. And until next time, guys, see you in the next adventure. Thanks for watching, everybody.